Hi YouTube, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave out this video. We are all about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and literally every other thing, okay? We fun over here. But if you're an old subscriber checking me out again, thank you so much for coming back. As you guys can see in the title today, it is a Target haul. I went into the Target before the holidays and I realized that they have a Lego collection, okay? And I was like, and they're so bright, so lovely, so nice, so beautiful. And I like bright colors. Like I told you guys, I don't care what weather it is. I don't care if it's fall, summer, spring, winter. I will wear a pop of color here and there. It has to be in there. It gives you joy, it gives you happiness, and it gives you just, you know, that total freedom to be whoever you want to be. So I went ahead and I copped me, not a lot. I got 2 sets and 3 sweaters. So they are kind of on the steeper side because each thing is like in the 30s. So yeah, if you want anything that I put on today, it is definitely going to be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. I will link as much as I can on from their website in my description box. So if you want to see what your girl got from Target with the Lego collection, go ahead and stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, the first thing we're going to start with is this set right over here. It is bought separately. They all sell everything separately, and they are like 35. Each one is okay. That's the top is $35, and the jacket is $35, and the jogger pants is $30. So it has all this color on it. It has like a lavender, purple right over there, orange, and then a cream color. Also the same thing over here. It is so cute, guys. It does zip up and down, so you can wear a t-shirt on the inside and just leave it like that. And then the pant looks like this. It does come with a pocket. It is also like a cream, and it has the orange string over here, and the lavender. Oh my god, so cute. The lavender color strap on the side of the boat, on both sides. The only thing about these pants is I wish it was longer, and I wish it was more tapered at the ankle right over here. But other than that, it's fine. I am 5'5" for reference, and both of them are both in a medium. I'll put on the small. It fit, but it was extra like it wouldn't even get to my ankle. It was short. So yeah, that's why I got the medium, and I think it's so cute. You can wear it with the sneakers, you can wear it with heels if you want to, and look really chic and real cute. Put a nice jacket on top of this, a leather jacket or a regular jacket, and I think you will look really good this winter season. It is warm, pretty thick enough to keep you warm wherever it is you live in the country. Really cute and really nice. So cute. I love it. I don't know if any one of you guys got the Lego collection before. I don't even know if they sold out. And Target store, I know they don't have a lot of it anymore in the Target store, but online I'm hoping they do have more, so I'll be able to like link it up for you guys. It is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. I love color. I love anything color. So yeah, I really love this. It doesn't have a hood. This is what the back looks like. It's just hidden at the right place. Ooh, it does also have a pocket at the back. I like that. I like that. So cute, so nice. And they do have the men's collection also. There's a green set that I really want from the men's collection, but it didn't have my size. I was like, oh, fuck it. So yeah, babe, I'm cool. Alright guys, the next thing that I got from the Lego collection with Target is this bright ass orange set. Point blank period. This is perfect for the spring. You're gonna be looking bright. Okay, this is so cute. This is a regular, like a regular flea sweater. Really cute, really nice. This bright ass orange. It has this lavender pinkish color string that holds it, and this one does come with the hoodie. This one does come with the hoodie, which I'm really loving. Like the other one, it does also have a pocket right over here. Really cute, really nice. The pants also looking really cute. But hold up one second. Roll up. Bam! Do y'all see the back? It has lavender, it has orange cream, and then the orange on it. Such a beautiful color. Really cute. It does also have a pocket on the back. Really cute. And on the side of the pant, it has the orange color. Really cute. I really love me this one. Also put on a pair of hair or booty with this one and a nice jacket, and you are good to go. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. That's where the fashion comes to life. Okay, go ahead, Misty to the TV will be in the description box. Really cute. I am so in love with the back. Like, the back is giving me life. You can wear this to brunch with the girls with the sneakers. Honestly, I just put a sneaker on with this, a nice jacket, and keep it moving. Here in Texas, actually, I could actually get away with it like this. Just a nice sneakers or a nice boots, a nice booty with this, and I'll be able to go out even this winter season. So yeah, I love it. Okay guys, the next thing that I got from the collection is this beautiful emerald green sweater. Oh baby, y'all see this sweater? It has some kind of like a texture thingy on it. So if you ask one that don't like texture stuff, this might not be your thing. This is such a beautiful color. Really nice. I love green. So when I saw this, I'm like, I must have it. And this one is, oh lordy, I ain't even want to tell you how much this joint is. This right here, just this sweater alone is $40. And $40, $40, but I like it. It's beautiful. I like it. Such a beautiful sweater. This one, the back is pretty plain, so nothing serious to it at the back. It is such a beautiful sweater. You could pair this with a thigh high, with the high-waisted jeans, or a nice full leather pants, and a nice heels, a nice booty, or nice boots. Either one, whichever one fits your style, you go ahead and you rock it. It is so beautiful, honestly. So this is this one right here. So beautiful. Y'all see, it came in an orange. I still want the orange. I got it in a size small. And you guys see how roomy, how stretchy this joint is. It is huge. Okay, so if you want, you could size down. I'm okay with the size small that I have. It is cute. It is nice. If you want, you could put a belt to it with your pants, and you are good to go. Don't this just make you happy? Like, it makes me happy. It is soft. It is nice. I love me cardigans, man. I love me. And y'all see how colorful this is? Do y'all see how colorful this is? Like, you can't tell me nothing. Well, if you don't know, this is the next that I got from Target with the collection, the Lego collection. If you're just joining us, we're doing the Lego collection from Target. And this is your opportunity to go ahead and, you know, hit that red button right over there, and also the bell right next to it, so you can, you know, be notified every time your girl drop a video. Okay. But yeah, guys, this is the next thing that I got from. It has pink, it has gray, it has white, it has yellow, it has blue, it has orange, and it has red. Please tell me you don't like this. Just tell me you don't like this, because your girl is in love with this sweater, man. I love this sweater. This is a size small, also $40. It's just called the women cardigan. Oh, so soft. Even with this little jumpsuit that I have on under it. I love it. Yes, girl. You can't say nothing to me right now. Okay? You point blank period. You cannot say anything. I look like the Lego throw up on me at this moment. Like all the color of the rainbow just threw up on your girl at this moment. But I'm loving it. It is cute. It is sturdy. Really, really beautiful. Y'all see all of that. That's an orange, gray, and over here is yellow and like cream white color, and then right over here is lavender and gray with the yellow and white, and this other side is like red, black, blue, and gray, and also some white up there. Oh my gosh. Oh my days. I love it. You could add a belt. Need I say anything? This is the last thing that I got from the Lego collection. But need I say any other words? Okay, this has the same texture with the green sweater that I showed you guys. Really cute. This is a bright ass orange, okay? Bright orange. You gonna be coming from far away and they're gonna be like, she coming, she right her, she right her, she right her, okay? But yeah, guys, I love it. I love this sweater. This is thicker than this one that I showed you guys. This is much thicker. That one is very light. It's not very light, but it's pretty light. This is a thicker. This has weight to it. Long sleeve, you could layer this up, wear a nice sweater on the inside. You could wear one of them sweaters from the set that I showed you guys on the inside. Even you could wear the whole set and put this as an extra cover up for you, and you'll be fine. This is cute. Tell me you don't like this. Tell me you just love everything that I have on this Target haul. We've never done Target haul on this channel, but it's our first. I love it. The back is also plain. There's nothing serious at the back. Like I said, if you want, you could belt this up. If you want a more shape to show, but it's a cardigan, you know. It doesn't really need extra work to be done to it, but I love it, guys. I really, really do love this one. It's one of my favorite in the whole collection because I feel like it makes it more classy, more grown. Even though it's a lot of color, it's a lot of color that is like a bam in your face kind of color. It is like really, really, really nice. I really like it. And the only thing I wish is like the sleeve. Wish the sleeve was much tighter. You understand what I'm saying? It's much tighter, but anyway, it's cool. It's nice. I really, really love this. This is like really cute. I love me colors anyway, so. Okay, y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video all the way to the end. You guys are the real MVP. Don't forget to check the description box for any link to the outfit that I have on today. And if there's a coupon code for any site, I'll put it in the description box also. If something is sold out, you guys know what I do. I'll just put sold out and put the link direct to the website so you guys can go ahead and shop whatever else you guys need to shop for. All right, guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.